Hello everyone. This video is intended for week 6, topic 1, part 1, and the topic is exponential functions, which can be found on page 88 of your module. So let us start with the definition of an exponential function. So an exponential function with base b is a function of the form f of x is equal to b raised to x, or y is equal to b raised to x, where b is greater than 0, but b must not be equal to 1. So for this function, b is the base and x is the exponent. So to visualize the value of b, here is a number line, and here is a point, which is a hollow point, which means to say that 0 is not included as the value of b. And for the value of b is greater than 0. So the values of b can be here, except that there is a restriction that b is not equal to 1. So this is a hollow point, which means that 1 is not included as the value of b. So why b is not equal to 1? Or what happens when b is equal to 1? So let us have an example. F of x is equal to 1 raised to x. And we have a table of values. So we can assign any values of x because the domain of this function is a set of real numbers. So you can assign -7, -11 and 1/2. You can have -100. You can also have 4.5. You can have 50 and so on. Okay? So if x is -5, so 1 raised to -5, f of x is equal to 1. And the location of the point -5, 1 is here. If x is -1 and 1/2, so 1 raised to -1 and 1/2, f of x is equal to 1. And the location of that point is here. If x is equal to 0, so 1 raised to 0 is 1. And that point 0, 1 is here. And if x is equal to 4, the value of your f of x is 1. And if we will be plotting this point on the Cartesian plane, this is the location of the point 4, 1. So what have you observed? If we will be connecting these points, we will have a horizontal line. Okay, and a horizontal line is a graph of what kind of function, if you can still remember. Okay, so this horizontal line is a graph of a function f of x is equal to 1, and this function is a constant function. And a constant function is a polynomial function of degree 0. Okay? So that is why there is a restriction for the value of b, which is not equal to 1, because if b is equal to 1, the value of your function is constant, which is 1. Okay? So let us proceed. Let us emphasize the value of b. B must be between 0 and 1, or b is greater than 0 but less than 1. And we can also have b is greater than 1. So for your b between 0 and 1, we can have the values of b as 1/4, 3/4, or for 0.5. Or if we have b is greater than 1, we can have some of the values of b as 1 and 1 half, 5, 100.25, and you can give as many as you can. So for this video, we have discussed the definition of an exponential function, and we have emphasized that the value of b must be between 0 and 1 and greater than 1. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you very much and good luck.